Alright, Rob Frazier here. So this video I want to talk about someone on YouTube had asked a question about capture pages. Some people call them squeeze pages. The guy from ClickFunnels, Russell Brunson, calls them lead funnels. Talking about this page you're looking at right here. Basically, it is a page that the only thing you can do to get the information behind it is to opt in. That's why they call them a squeeze page. The whole idea is to squeeze the person visiting your email or the person visiting your website to give you the information, be a text, phone number, or your email address. Some people have a whole application on them. So just talking about, I call them capture pages. Some people call them squeeze pages, landing pages, whatever the case. I consider a landing page the page after the capture page, personally. But that's other semantics we don't need to talk about. So, my thoughts on capture pages. I've seen good capture pages. I've seen bad capture pages. One thing I will say is that it is a continuous process to tweak these capture pages, because you can have the best, sexiest capture page. I almost dropped my cell phone there. This right here was one of my high-performing capture pages for a while. But as with anything, it starts to lose its luster after a while, and you have to keep adjusting, changing the word, changing the headline, sometimes adding a background image, sometimes taking away a background image, adding the little flashing arrow, taking away the flash, different things like that you can test over time. But the biggest thing is understanding the psychology behind it. A lot of folks I've seen put up capture pages. They'll put a video of the company that they're promoting right there on the capture page. So you already have all the information. You don't need to opt in. But they have a place for you to put your email in, and then they'll send you to the same video, which doesn't make sense. But again, I have learned how to make my own landing, squeeze, capture, lead funnel, whatever you want to call it. I call them capture pages. I learned to make my own capture pages through my own experience and by continuously tracking my data. For example, this capture page, when I first made it, I got like 60%. Now I'm averaging like 30% on it. So do I want to send cold traffic to this page in a game of affiliate marketing, which is a game of numbers? No, I want to send it to the new, sexier model. And I always want to have that new, sexier model in the background while I'm running my old, reliable capture pages, if that makes sense. This is just an example of another one. So the whole idea is to not give away the goods. You don't want to give away what you're giving away on the capture page. You want to give that away on the next page. You want to make the person put in their name and email to get more information, period. And there's different ways of doing it. I like always incorporating my story. Free video exposes how one newbie started getting more traffic and more money. Exact same strategy, former active duty Marine, used to transform his life and pay off a six-figure debt in a process. That's a true story. That's my story. And here, Nico the bird giving me some kudos in the background there. But that's my story. That's a true story. That's documented. And I can put that on my capture pages. So if people want more information, got to put in the info. If not, oh well. Some people put in fake emails. You can get around that, and I'll share how I get around the fake emails using either double opt-ins or a certain type of page I'll put on my my thank you page, or the page people sees after they opt in. We can get into that later. But capture pages, you don't want to give away the goods. You just want to pique curiosity. If someone is in affiliate or network marketing and they want more traffic and more money, they're going to put in their name and email, or just their email. And you can, that's another thing you can play around and experiment with, see which gets you more opt-ins, name or just email, name and email, name, email, phone number. I like name and email, but it's just a continuous process. So again, I learned all this through, number one, experimenting with my own capture pages, looking at the data. Number two, my own experience looking at the data. That was supposed to be number two. Well, number one was my own experience. Number two, looking at the data. And number three, continuously studying the game, continuously studying the craft. And the highest the highest product, it's only $7, that I would highly recommend everyone grabbing is Lead Funnels. Basically, this is Russell Brunson himself talking about lead funnels, aka capture pages, aka squeeze pages, aka landing pages, where he actually breaks down psychology behind it, not giving away the goods, piquing curiosity, forcing the person to give you a piece of information to get something in return. It's a value exchange. You have this info, I want it, it's going to cost me my email address. Okay, I'll bite. Just that simple. So, lead funnels again. I'm going to include my affiliate link. Yes, it's an affiliate program. This is only $7 product. And I'm going to leave my link underneath this video. What you're going to get is you can click on that link and see all this stuff. I'm going to show you inside. You're actually going to get a little membership area. You're going to get a little PDF download. You're going to get Lead Funnels training, where Russell Brunson actually breaks down 106 examples of landing pages, squeeze pages, capture pages, lead funnels, whatever you want to call them. You're going to have templates. Obviously, these templates you can use immediately if you do decide to go ahead and further on get a ClickFunnels account. Or if you don't have a ClickFunnels account, I can show you different ways to get around that, but we'd have to talk offline, me and you, about that. And also there's a master blueprint download that's actually been added to this. It's a whole deep dive breakthrough on why these different pages work. And in fact, I'm going to just show you one of the templates. This right here was one of my highest pages for a while. Like I said, when I first did it, it was at 60. Now it's down to 30, but it's still pretty strong. But what I do with this page is I warm people up before they get there to this page right here. They're already on my email list after a while, and then bam, hey, if you want to learn my perpetual traffic plan, go to this page. And so that spikes my numbers here. But this right here was directly from one of these templates. Let me see right here. So down here, scroll all the way down, it was at the bottom, right here. It says select this funnel, and it didn't say these words here. The words here, my traffic strategy, I accidentally stumbled upon, it helped me go full-time in affiliate marketing. Those are my own words, but not taken from the template. I took the words that were on a template and just adjusted them to put my own words, because this is my own story. And that's a whole part of this process. It's just a matter of experimenting. This right here was another one of the templates. Forget where exactly was in here. But if you do have a ClickFunnels account, you can come down here, select it, and it will automatically populate it in your account. Ready, set to go, and all you have to do is just go in there and change the words and link it to you. So that being said, again, thoughts: you don't want to give away the farm. I like adding my own story into it. If you don't have a story, I can help you get your own story. And also, as a bonus, if you do decide to buy the lead funnels through my affiliate link, only one time $7. They do have a $37 upsell and a couple other things. The one funnel away challenge and a $37 up order bump thing. We can talk about that in a later video. But for now, if you just want the $7 lead funnels product, I highly recommend grabbing it. And as a bonus, you buy this thing from me, I will help you with your capture pages, no matter what capture page service it is that you're using, no matter what page builder, no matter what it is you're out there using. You buy this thing from me, for my affiliate link, the one-time $7, or get any of the upsells. That's up to you. I highly recommend buying everything, but that's just me. Again, what makes marketing work is to be a continuous student of the game. The more you study, the more you get around other people who are continuously studying, getting better, you can't help but get better. It just makes sense. It's just how this whole thing works. So you buy the lead funnels from my affiliate link, you'll get my continuous guidance on your capture pages, landing pages, no matter what landing page service you're using, Power Lead System, Online Sales Pros, this funnels, that funnels, in funnels, out funnels, landing page pros, WordPress site, Wix free site, whatever it is you're using. I can help you with your capture pages as a bonus continuously forever, as long as I'm still around, when you get the lead funnels product from me. So that being said, hopefully I gave some of my thoughts. Don't give away the farm. Weave your story into the capture page and force people to put in their information. And in another video, I'll cover how I structure my thank you page, which is the next page in this series, in a way to force people, even if they didn't put in their right email, to go back and put in their right email. So that being said, name's Rob Frazier, wrapping this video up. The links and information, everything is in the video description below. I'll also be adding a blog post around this whole topic and a podcast around this whole topic as well, and I'll put that in the pinned comment underneath this video in the future. So hopefully you got some value. Let me know if that, hey Rob, that video was straight garbage, or hey Rob, that video was straight gold. Let me know. Comments in the description below, whatever, you got it. See you in the next video. Peace.